Police were forced to lob tear gas canisters to disperse, arrest and return a calm outside the Kenya National Union of Teachers NUT headquarters after goons stormed the area to try and disperse NUT branch executives who had been camping there seeking to oust Secretary General Sossion. The fracas saw 6 people arrested. The National Executive Council met today to discuss Sossion's removal, even after the embattled SG obtained a court order stopping that meeting. Shadrach Miti now reports.
Police officers, some clad in anti-riot gear, were on Thursday forced to lob tear gas canisters to restore calm after goons attacked teachers and NUT branch executive officials drawn from various parts of the country who had been camping outside NUT offices seeking to eject NUT Secretary General Sossion.
Ngoja tu, saa bado, muda bado, na ungali unaendelea kuyoyoma. Kwa hivyo azoee kuitwa aliyekuwa. Na kama hilo ni ngumu kwake, basi azoe kuitwa mheshimiwa, hilo linamtosha. Hata sisi tunatarajia kuitwa waheshimiwa siku moja.
Pedestrians, traders and motorists were all caught unawares, forcing everyone to scamper for their safety. And after calm returned, 6 suspects were arrested. Earlier, a group of teachers opposed to Sossion forced their way into the offices after they broke padlocks.
Let him give the powers of negotiation to the union to negotiate with the TSC. Like now, we are talking here. We have not been paid some of the Jews because of him. The KNUT has not been paid anything. The teachers are suffering. The promotions, they are suffering. They are supposed to have been cleared by July. It is not cleared.
We want to tell Sossion that his time is over because he has led this union with a lot of impunity, and that is where we are here because we want to support the NEC in their call to make sure that Sossion is out of this union.
Watafute kitu ingine ya kufanya. Waachane na mimi kabisa. Tafadhali. Mimi nimechaguliwa. Wale walinichagua ndio wataniondoa. Siwezi ondoleo kwa maandamano ya haba ya barabara hapa Nairobi.
Thursday's National Executive Council meeting took place despite Sossion obtaining a court order stopping the meeting. Through a convening notice dated August 19th, Sossion had indicated that there would be a national executive meeting on August 29th. He, however, decided to call off the meeting due to what he called some administrative issues. But after learning through social media that some NEC officials were still planning to proceed with the meeting with a view to hijacking the agenda so they could sack him, he moved to court and successfully obtained orders stopping the meeting.
We love him. We know he's a very strong man. But the only problem is that he doesn't follow the constitution. You see, this is the same court that gave TSC the orders to register him. And he has gone to the same court to get the orders to stop a meeting.
Solidarity.
Sossion has been under pressure from some National Executive Council members to quit following a bitter fallout with the Teacher Service Commission and senior teachers over the execution of the 2017-2021 collective bargaining agreement worth 54 billion shillings. Following the standoff, TSC suspended the implementation of the 3rd phase of the salary deal, which should have been effected at the end of July. Further, TSC has not remitted union dues deducted from teachers to NUT, thus starving it financially.
Wale walimu walifutwa CBC kutoka mwezi wa 4 hawajapata mshahara. Sossion amepata mshahara ya bunge. Milioni moja. Leo amepata mshahara wake wa mwezi wa 8. Hao katibu wenye unaona hapa hawajapata mshahara wao.
Ati muondoe Sossion mtapata kila kitu. Surely. I am elected by teachers of Kenya. That's the only election I went through. I went through one election. One, not two. One. To be elected Secretary General. Na mimi sitoki huko until wenyewe waniambie nenda. But not those street activities. Hii haitafanyika. Hiyo wasahau, wataonea TV.
Those scheming to sack Sossion are relying on NUT constitution, which states that union members must be registered teachers, certified and licensed to teach. And after TSC expunged Sossion from its register, the teachers feel they have a valid reason to oust him. The standoff at the Kenya National Union of Teachers headquarters serves to show how deep and wide leadership wrangles are at the giant teachers union. Secretary General Sossion says it's only through a decision by the annual delegates conference that can force him out of office. Yet, on the other hand, the National Executive Council says it has powers to eject him. And so it appears wrangles and stalemate continue at NUT. Shadrack Miti, KTN News, Nairobi.